Every single time you scroll or like or share something online, you're a part of this massive, kind of invisible system. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on exactly what that system is, the art and science of social media marketing. All right, let's dive in.
So let me just start by asking you a really simple question. Did you use social media at all today? I mean, chances are you did, right? Maybe you scrolled through some pictures, watched a quick video, or sent a message to a friend. Well, if you did, then you're already a part of the world we're going to explore. See, you're not just a user. You're the audience. You're the customer. And hey, you're even a potential creator, all at the exact same time. Okay, so what exactly is this system that we're all swimming in every day? Let's break it down and start with the absolute fundamentals. To put it simply, it's all about using social media platforms to promote, well, anything. Products, services, ideas. But here's the key. It's not just about promotion. It's really about connection. Think of it as the difference between just yelling with a megaphone versus actually starting a real conversation. And the arenas for all this? Well, they're the platforms we use every single day. But what's so crucial to get is that each one speaks its own language. The way you market on a super visual platform like Instagram is totally different from how you'd network on LinkedIn or how you'd jump on the crazy fast trends of TikTok. So we get the what and we get the where, but what about the how? I mean, what are marketers actually doing all day to make this stuff work? Turns out it really boils down to a constant four-step cycle. So it all kicks off with step one, creating content. But, content that nobody sees or reacts to is, well, it's pretty useless. That brings us to step two, engaging with your audience to build a real community. Then, to grow past that core group, marketers run ads to reach brand new people who are likely to be interested. And finally, and this is probably the most critical part, they analyze all the data to see what worked, what flopped, and then they start the whole cycle over again. Only this time, a little bit smarter. Creating, engaging, advertising, analyzing. Wow, that sounds like a lot of work, doesn't it? So why do brands and creators pour so much time and energy into all this? What's the actual end game here? The end game isn't really about likes and shares. I mean, those are nice, but they're what we call vanity metrics. The real goals are solid business goals. It starts with just making people aware of your brand, which then, hopefully, funnels down to attracting customers and actually driving sales. But take a look at that last point, fostering a community. That is the secret sauce. That's what turns someone who buys from you once into a fan for life. Okay, so we've gone over the what, the how, and the why. But if we boil everything down, past all the jargon and the analytics, what is the one single idea at the very heart of all this? This is it, right here. It's about using these huge digital spaces not just to find an audience, but to actually build one, to gather a group of people who genuinely connect with your brand story and what you're all about. So the next time you're scrolling and you see a post that actually makes you stop your thumb, just take a second to think about it. That wasn't just a random picture or video. It was a carefully crafted piece of a much larger story. So the real question is, in a world where everyone has a megaphone, how do you tell a story that's actually worth listening to?